Hi, my name is Tom Shepard. I'm the leader of a group within the Grand Computers Club called the New to Computers and Devices Support Group. The mission of our group is to make computers easier to use, particularly for people that are not familiar with them. And computers can include laptops, PCs, tablets, Macs, phones, iPhones, iPads, Androids, tablets, etc. This is the formal statement of the mission of our group, so you get an idea of what we're about. And again, our goal is to provide help to people who are beginners or novices in technology. To do that, we have 3 upcoming sessions for October, November, and December. And I'll tell you just a brief little bit about each one. Session coming in October is how to use your library online using the Greater Phoenix Digital Library. We've got a speaker from the library system to talk to us about that. The session in November is about social media for seniors. We're going to talk about the more popular ones that you may have heard about. Maybe you've used them, maybe you've just heard about them, you wonder what they're about, what kind of people use them, why they use them. So we'll talk about that. And then in December, we'll focus on the particular tool called YouTube. Many of us have found it to be quite useful in doing things like fixing problems around the house, like how do I caulk a bathroom shower, how to replace a flapper on a toilet, how to unclog a sink. So it's very helpful for those kind of things. It can also be helpful for fun things like planning travel, rewatching concerts, sewing, quilting and beading tips, etc. So we hope you find these sessions of interest. Hope to see you at one of them soon. Thank you for your time.